everyone. My name is Srishti Aggarwal. Currently, I am a pre-final year in JEE Physics PTech student at IIT ROORKEE. I am here to share my experience with Mittal Classes, which played an important role to crack the IIT JEE exam. The expertise and the dedication of teachers were invaluable in helping me crack the IIT JEE exam. I also appreciate the extensive practice problems and mock tests provided, which helped me build my confidence and track the progress. I especially want to thank Gaurav sir, who was always available to answer my questions and provide guidance. Thanks to Mittal Classes that I was able to secure admission at IIT ROORKEE. I highly recommend Mittal Classes for anyone who is preparing for IIT JEE exam. Thank you for the opportunity to share my experience.